What's going on, guys? Sean Ellington, aka Murder Nova here, and we are in Indy at the Convention Center for 2023 PRI.
It's the quiet before the storm, basically. So we're setting up our booth, getting ready for tomorrow for the show to start.
Today's setup day is crazy. You know, it's a good time. You've seen everybody coming in, seeing a lot of people that we've seen all year, but everybody kind of gets together. We're not at a race, so it's a chance to kind of catch up with everyone. But today was setup day, getting cars moved in, getting backdrop set up, getting everything set up, and getting ready to open up tomorrow morning.
It's such a great show to get in front of a huge group of different types of racers from all over the world. We can display all of our products, and we got a captive audience in one room. It's awesome.
PRI means that the industry that we love is thriving. Every time you come in here and you see new products and you see new companies that is showcasing their products, that means that the industry that we all love is growing, and it's good and well and alive.
My name's Jim Sweener from My Race Pass. We're here at the PRI exhibitor reception at Lucas Oil Stadium, ready to have a great time.
PRI means a lot to me. Everything's under one roof. Get it all done right here, 3 days. Welcome to PRI 2023. I hope you have a great time at a great show.